Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice math test problem, which is root of 81 divided by 9 into 1 plus 2. So now when you have something like this, a lot of people mess up because they think that root of any number will always get you an answer in terms of positive and negative 9. That is incorrect. This situation can only happen if in case you had a variable x square was equal to 81, and when you take square roots on both sides, when it is equal to a variable, at that time only the answer will be in terms of plus minus. Now since here the root of the root of this number which is positive, the answer will be positive only. So this is 9 divided by 9, and see, now there is no sign between these two. Okay, so obviously it is just multiplication. Okay, and according to Bonmas and Pemdas, first thing which you need to always do is that you need to solve the brackets. So 1 plus 2 gets you 3. So now when you do this, 9 divided by 9, that gets you 1 into 3. The answer is supposed to be just 3. Now this is where a lot of people get confused. They think what? First we should do multiplication, and they do it this way: 9 divided by 9 into 3, that is 27. Now please understand that never works, because in mathematics division and multiplication hold equal precedence. So all you have to do is just go from left to right. Whatever operation happens first from your left hand side has to be done first. Okay, so I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.